Yes, hello. You're probably wondering why in the world is my stuff gone? Well, nothing. No TV. Well, I'm getting new furniture. That's why I figured it all out. Well, that's not because I'm here. Well, I got a certain something that is really, really nice of them to do. You want to know what they gave me? The original Leatherman. Yep, that's right. The original Leatherman. YouTubers out there think like, what? Yep, YouTubers. This is the original Leatherman. It's mine forever. And I am going to keep it until I give it to my kids. I want to give it to mine. So, and this looks like it's never, I don't know if it's been used or what, but nothing on this tool is broken. And that's pretty rare to see. I mean, look at that. The knife blade's still intact. So you get like a screwdriver. You get an awl. You get a big Phillips screwdriver. Another one. Okay, let's see what we get in here. Alright. We get that one. We get a screwdriver. Basically, what we get is, I mean, you cannot ask for more, but this is all the tools you get. I probably will carry this, and I did use the screwdriver on this. It's kind of, it's pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Yep, I love this thing. I'm going to carry it forever on me. And the plier heads are not broken. Right there. Usually you'll see like a tip up here that's broken up here, but they're not. This one is in mint condition. And I'll tell you something right now. This is my favorite multi-tool now. I'm gonna carry this one until I cannot carry it anymore. Because it came with a lot of stuff. I mean, now I'm gonna have to carry. I'm gonna have to find the original one and from. This is the PSP. No, PST. Pocket Survival Tool. I need to find the second one that came out. And then that'd be really cool. So I have the original. And it came with this cool sheath, which it's very dirty. I may go on Leatherman or I could go on eBay and buy a brand spanking new sheath for this, but I'm gonna keep this one. But I want to buy a new one so I can put it in there. So yeah, this is what it looks like when it's closed. Oh, I just love it. Look at that. It's beautiful looking. And it slips right in there perfectly. Just like that. And I'll give you all an update of me using this. And also, when we were cleaning out, I found I found 2 knives. And I thought they were lost forever. But yeah, here's one of them. My Gerber Traverse. Yep, this is one of them. So It's, yeah, it's got a lot of blade play, but yeah, this one has been used a lot. I'll still carry it. And this thing, alright, guys, on YouTube community, this was my very first knife, and no joke. And I know you're gonna say, what? Yeah, well, it wasn't the Swiss Army knife. It was this. This was my first one. I have another one that I've had for years, but I can't find it. But yeah, I've had this thing from, oh gosh, since when I first found out about knives and I started collecting them. And I've had this knife since when my mom was around. Oh man, dude, I mean, I opened boxes with this thing. I carved with this thing. I mean, this knife, I mean, come on. What are you gonna do with this knife? I mean, this knife is just something. But yeah, I wanted to show you what I've got, so. And I might buy a new sheath for this leatherman, but I'm gonna keep the old one. Cause it's pretty cool to keep something this old. Yeah. Cool. Cool. Still says leatherman. Harpoon snake. I'm just joking. I will dance to that sometime. But yeah, here it is. This is something I'm gonna keep. And I will never send it off to Leatherman. Why? Because they will get you something. They will give you something that you don't want. So they'll give you their current one that's pretty much out. It's probably the Blast. So I just wanted to show you. I know this is a long video, but I really wanted to show you what I have. And I figured it was pretty cool. And hope y'all are having a good day. I'll see y'all guys later. Sayonara.